Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active, and on this video, we are going to test its heart rate monitoring function as well as the blood oxygen monitoring, and we'll compare it side by side with our fingertip pulse oximeter. So this one, it can monitor the blood oxygen as well as the heart rate. So we are going to have a simultaneous detection of our heart rate as well as blood oxygen with the Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active and the fingertip pulse oximeter. So if you are interested to see the results of this demo of the heart rate monitoring and blood oxygen, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Alright, so let's start and have a demo of the blood oxygen monitoring as well as the heart rate monitoring. Let's go first with our heart rate monitoring. So we will wear this properly. Okay, again, this is the Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active, and we have here a finger pulse oximeter. So let's check. Okay, I'm going to set it first. Then we'll have a simultaneous monitoring. I'm going to show you the results here. Okay. So let's check our heart rate. And let's test our heart rate also here with a fingertip pulse oximeter. Okay, 76 beats per minute. So you have here 81. As you can see, the same results here. 77, 79. It's almost the same with our fingertip pulse oximeter here. They have the same value here. 83, 83, 84, 80, 81. As you can see, our heart rate here also dropped. It is 79, 79 also. Then 80, 79, let's see, 81, and the same as you can see here. Okay, so it increases to 85, 84, 82, and it also decreases to the 77 or 78, 83. Okay, so as you can see here, it shows that the heart rate monitoring of our Xiaomi Smartband 9 is accurate if we compare it with our medical grade fingertip pulse oximeter here. Okay, we have 97% for our blood oxygen, 82 or 83 for our heart rate. Okay, we almost have the same here with our Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active. Okay, then let's check the blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, so 97 here. So let's measure. With the heart rate monitoring, I guess you can say that it is pretty good. The result is pretty accurate. If you compare it with the Xiaomi Smartband 9, it's almost the same also when it comes to result. So we have here 97. So keep still. Let's see if we will have a 97 or 98%. Wow. As you can see here, 97 blood oxygen saturation, as you can see here. The same with our fingertip pulse oximeter. Okay, so far the heart rate monitoring is accurate as well as our blood oxygen monitoring here for our Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active. So I'm impressed with the results here if we compare it with our fingertip pulse oximeter. So it is a success so far when it comes to monitoring or for the sensors of our Xiaomi Smartband 9 active. Whether it's blood oxygen or heart rate monitoring. Everything is good. Okay? It's pretty accurate. Again, that's it for our demo of the Xiaomi Smartband 9 active, comparing it with our fingertip pulse oximeter. And so far, the result is almost the same. How can we say it's the same? Okay, so that's it. Again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.